Whoops! I'd better hurry.
Running a little late, Festus?
Sorry!
Hi, Susan. Hey, Festus. Come on. Everyone's waiting in the auditorium.
Where is everyone?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
A. Apple. Apple. B. Bug. Bug. C. Cat. Cat. D.
Listen to the sounds in the words, then see if you can name the letter that makes the sound you hear most before the clock runs out. Susan, let's read the first sentence.
Okay, ready? An alligator and an ant added apples.
Did you figure it out? The sound you heard most, is made by the letter A. The answer is A. Let's do some more, Susan. We have learned that H makes the H sound, as in hat. A makes the A sound, as in apple. And D makes the D sound, as in dog. If we put them all together, we say ad, 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 had.
I think I get the idea. Can we practice a few more?
Sure. I'll break the words down into their letter sounds. Then you blend the sounds together to read the word. Ready?
Sure, this will be fun.
A.
Cap.
Ah. You know the sounds that you will need.
Keep practicing and learn to read.
Yeah! Oh yeah!
Snap.
Sp.
That ties the score, 4-4. This one is a little tricky. Are you ready? The next word is twist. What sounds could you swap to get a word that you would use in this sentence? I need to make a grocery blank for my trip to the store.
Ooh, I know! You need to make a grocery list!
I'm sorry, Festus. You need to push the button before you answer.
Sorry!
Chip, do you know what sounds you need to swap in the word twist?
Swap TW for L. Oh.
Way to go! Swapping the TW for an L turns the word twist into the word list. 2 more points for Chip. That makes the score 6-4.
Ooh, I'd better get the next one.
Be ready to buzz in.